Hello everyone. Today we're checking out the Botesty Sound Kids headphones in dark blue. These are designed with kids in mind, focusing on safety, durability, and comfort. First off, let's talk about safety. These headphones have a built-in volume limiter, offering both 85 dB and 94 dB options. This is crucial for protecting young ears from potential hearing damage, especially during extended use with music, games, or educational apps. Durability is another key feature. The headphones come with a 4.9 feet tangle-free nylon cord that feels really tough. The materials used seem kid-proof, able to withstand twisting, pulling, and the general wear and tear that kids put their belongings through. This is a big plus for parents who are tired of replacing headphones every few months. Comfort is also well addressed. The over-ear cushions are soft, and the headband is adjustable, ensuring a comfortable fit for various head sizes, from toddlers to teens. The earmuffs swivel 90 degrees, and the headphones are foldable, making them easy to pack into a backpack or carry-on luggage for school or travel. They don't take up much space, which is always a bonus. These headphones also include a microphone and inline control buttons. This is super convenient for online learning, video calls, and voice chats. The microphone seems to pick up sound clearly, enhancing communication during online classes or when chatting with friends and family. Sound quality is decent for kids' headphones. They feature 40mm drivers that deliver a balanced stereo sound. While they might not satisfy audiophiles, they're perfectly adequate for enjoying music, games, and educational content. Compatibility is excellent. These headphones use a standard 3.5mm jack, so they work with a wide range of devices, including Kindle tablets, smartphones, laptops, MP3 and MP4 players, and gaming consoles. This makes them versatile for various activities, from playing games to listening to music. Overall, the Botesty Sound Kids headphones are a solid choice for parents looking for a safe, durable, and comfortable option for their children. The volume-limiting feature, robust build, and convenient microphone make them well-suited for everyday use, online learning, and travel.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.